Do you have anthills, irritating little crawling ants? Well, one of the products that can be used for anthills is NemaKnights Non-Refrigerated Nematodes. Easy to use. First thing you need to do is moisten the area. The nematodes need water to get down and release into where the nests are with the ants. Open the black lid and you will notice a small breather hole in the lid. This is normal. It has to have a hole so that the product can breathe because it is alive. Remove the seal. Replace the black lid. Open up the shaker and shake a few pop-poppers onto the anthills and repeat with the moistening. And that's it. Now let your nematodes work for you.